हाँ, तो रोटी में जो होगा ना वही हमारे बॉडी में आएगा। और अगर हम
हाँ।
बाकी फूड नहीं खाएंगे ना तो दूसरे
चाइनीज है
विटामिन
ये
रह
सब
जाएंगे।
बोलेगा ना उसमें से।
These girls, when somebody else is talking, keep your mics mute. इट्स वेरी डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल कि जब कोई और बात कर रहा है हम उसको इंटरप्ट करके बीच में बात करें, ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता ना। हाँ, आप सब तो गुड गर्ल्स हो तो ऐसे क्यों करते हो आप, है ना।
ओके मैम।
मैम
मैम आई
थैंक यू
वांट टू
बेटा।
रीड।
मैम
थैंक यू।
मैं
आई
बोल
वांट टू रीड
आई
मनीषा।
लेट यू रीड, आई लेट यू रीड बेटा।
ओके
मैम मैं
मैम।
रीड करूँ
सबसे,
इंशिया।
यस
मैं
बेटा,
कौन
आई
से
लेट यू रीड।
मैम पहले आई स्कूल से।
ओके, आई लेट यू, लेट ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू रीड, बट अभी मुझे जो समझाना है वो समझा लेने दो, ठीक है।
ओके मैम।
मैम मैं
थैंक
आपको
यू।
ये कह रही थी
सो
कि आपने पूछा था कि रोज रोटी खाना।
if we eat,
वी ईट डे
मुझे नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है।
वी ईट डेली roti and roti then
One kind of food every
we
day, it will, yes,
ma'am may I speak Muskan? Ma'am may I speak
yes, what do you want to say?
ma'am that we will only
Muskan,
eat
what do you want to
roti.
say ta?
Yes ma'am I am
हाँ,
telling. Only we will eat roti, so only we will get roti of nutrients. When we are not eating the curry, vegetable curry, all things, so we will don't get nutrients. Only we will get chapati nutrients only. Yes.
yeah, great, thank you. Yes, Kulsum, what you wanted to say beta?
These only we eat roti only, then we give nutrients only, but we not eat vegetables and all. Then we not give and don't eat outside Chinese because after we eat Chinese, then afterwards we
किसी का
will
फोन बज
stomach
रहा है।
will pain.
Yes, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, our meals usually have at least one item made up of some kind of grain. तो हमारे meal में usually there will be one item which is made of grain. Either we will have roti chapati, either we will have dal, either we will have rice, correct? And it may also include items like curd, buttermilk and pickles. हमारे डाइट में कर्ड, बटरमिल्क और pickles भी included है. Some examples of meals from different regions are given in table 2.1. So in table 2.1, see, there are food items of different regions. For example, in Punjab, they eat makki ki roti, right? Makki is nothing but corn. In Andhra Pradesh, they have rice. The item of dal in Punjab would be rajma. Vegetables would be sarson da saag, and others would be ghee and curd. Whereas in Andhra Pradesh, the item of grain would be rice, tur dal and rasam, and kunduru, and the vegetables would be kunduru and dondakai. What is kunduru and dondakai? Does anybody know what is kunduru and dondakai? It is the regional food of Andhra Pradesh, and we do not know what it is called in Gujarati. Okay.
Ma'am, I have tried to Google that Kundur means
Beta, your voice is not coming properly. Can you talk loudly in the mic?
ma'am, I had searched in Google, no, so that Kunduru means spindle.
Yes. Okay. Then Kunduru means what?
Spindle.
What is Pindal?
Ma'am, in Google come and in Gujarati it come to also.
What it is in Gujarati? Let us know what it is in Gujarati. Okay.
Ma'am, in Gujarati also spindle only come.
Okay. And the other things they have in Andhra Pradesh is buttermilk, that is chash, ghee, and pickle. Pickle is also called avakai in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so what happens? Sometimes we may not surely have all this variety in our meals. कभी कभी ये सारी varieties हमारे meals में नहीं होती. If we are traveling, we may eat whatever is available on the way. When we are traveling, we will not carry a regional food and travel, right? We will have anything that is available on the way. ठीक है, and we may eat whatever is available on the way. It may not be possible for some of us to eat such variety of items most of the time. तो कभी कभी किसी को ये इतनी सारी varieties भी खाने के लिए नहीं मिलती है most of the time. There must be some reason though why meals usually consist of such a distribution. Do you think that our body needs different kind of food for some special purpose? Right? Why do we need different kind of food every day?
Because because we have to eat different food. When we
One
eat one type of food, so we get that we only eat
Yeah.
one type of food. Bored. We
Yeah.
get bored. Yes, that only one type
What
of
do
food.
different food items contain? What will different contain? We know that each dish is usually made of one or more vegetable ingredients. We know that food is made up of one or more ingredients, right? We had prepared brinjal curry that day. Remember? We had prepared brinjal curry that day. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. I have only tell that how to enjoy curry.
Yeah. So what we know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients. We know that each dish is made of one or more ingredients.
मैम चैप्टर 2 कब भेजने वाले हो? ये सब लेसन खत्म हो जाएगा तब ना?
चैप्टर 2 का तब भेजूंगी. यस. Okay.
ठीक है मैम, कोई बात नहीं.
So and okay. What do diff? Can you please mute your mics? Whose mic is unmuted? Whose mic is unmuted? How am I supposed to teach you if you are talking with your family on the mic which is unmuted? How will I speak, beta?
Danya. Siddhartha Danya is my cousin.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients. We had prepared brinjal curry, right? You remember?
Yes, ma'am. I remember.
What things the brinjal curry contains?
Brinjal, potato,
Ma'am, brinjal,
Yes.
potato,
some
ma'am, red chili
spices,
powder,
red chili powder, jeeru powder, then turmeric
Yes.
powder,
salt, ma'am,
Very
salt,
good.
water, oil, water,
ma'am, oil, water, salt.
etc.
Yes.
Salt.
Correct. So these new ingredients, the ingredients that we discussed right now contain some components. Okay. It contains some components that are needed by our body. तो ये सारी चीज जो हम एक डिश में डालते हैं उसको ingredients बोलते हैं. And these ingredients contain some components that our body needs. It is very important for our body and they are called nutrients. Okay. What are they called?
Nutrients.
Nutrients. Okay. The major nutrients in our food are named. What are the major nutrients in our food?
Carbohydrates,
Yes, proteins,
proteins, fats,
fats,
vitamins,
vitamins, and
minerals.
Minerals, correct?
Mineral.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the ingredients that our body needs, the components that the ingredients contain and our body needs, it is very important for our body, are called nutrients. And what are the major type of nutrients? Carbohydrates. Can you name them, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Repeat.
You name them and I will write.
Carbohydrates, proteins,
Carbohydrates,
fats,
nutrients, proteins,
vitamins, and
fats,
minerals.
vitamins, and
Carbohydrates,
minerals.
Carbohydrates,
proteins, vitamins, and minerals.
Vitamins,
Fats,
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 fats, minerals,
protein,
protein.
vitamins,
and
proteins,
fats.
vitamins.
मुस्कान, मुस्कान,
Carbohydrates,
Yes,
fats,
ma'am.
minerals,
बेटा
proteins,
आपने एक बार बोल लिया तो
vitamins.
बार बार क्यों बोल रहे हो? मैंने सुन लिया, आपने एक बार बोला वो मैंने सुन लिया बेटा.
Vitamin.
Vitamins and anything left?
Minerals. No, no.
Beta. No, ma'am.
No,
Nothing
ma'am.
is left.
Ma'am, nutrients.
Nothing is left. Ma'am,
Ma'am, nutrients.
nutrients.
Ma'am,
Nutrients.
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 Mubaraka, ma'am, nutrients.
Mubaraka, ma'am, nutrients.
Well, and what are they called? You have to remember is the which are present in the
Nutrients.
ingredients are very important for our body. Our body needs them and they are called nutrients. Now, do all the food contain all of these nutrients?
Nutrients.
सारे food में ये सारे nutrients होंगे? Will all the food contain all
No.
nutrients? No.
No.
So, there are only few nutrients in some food and there may not be in few nutrients in some other food. Okay, so with some simple methods, there is a method by which we can test whether our food contains carbohydrates or not. Okay, there are a few methods by which we can test whether this food contains our nutrients or not. And how many types of nutrients are there? Carbohydrates,
Carbohydrates,
minerals,
protein,
fats,
minerals, fats,
proteins, vitamins.
vitamins.
And there are
Right?
five nutrients.
There are
So,
five nutrients.
Mubarak, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, can I collect Tahira?
No beta, not now. I'll allow you to read beta. Okay. So now, just listen to me. Okay, listen to me very, very carefully. Okay. With some simple methods, we can test whether cooked food or raw ingredients contain nutrients or not. Now there are types of food, correct? See, we
Yes.
eat cooked food, correct? And we
Yes.
also eat raw food,
Yes.
correct? What is
Yes,
cooked
ma'am.
food? The food that we cook on the stove, that is called cooked food, and the raw food, that is we do not need to cook them. And can you name some examples of raw food?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm,
Yes,
Raw
ma'am.
food.
Yes.
packets.
Sorry,
Packets. Packets.
sorry,
Ma'am, we eat
Packets.
salad.
I cannot hear you, beta.
Ma'am,
Salad.
salad.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
salad.
salad.
Salad,
Salad.
salad. Okay,
Salad. Salad.
okay, great. Okay, so
Yes,
there is
ma'am.
one method. Okay, listen to me carefully now. Now there are first we will discuss about carbohydrates. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Carbohydrates.
now there are two types of carbohydrates. Okay, sugar and starch. How many types of carbohydrate are there?
Two.
Two.
Sugar
Two
and
types of
starch.
Sugar.
carbohydrate.
Sugar and starch.
Sugar and
Sugar and
starch.
starch.
Sugar and
Okay.
starch.
Starch.
And what are
Sugar and starch.
carbohydrates? The components that have carbon
The components.
plus hydrogen. The food that contains carbon and hydrogen are called carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates.
Okay.
Okay.
Is
Ma'am,
this
can I
clear?
also
Yes.
Can you mute your mics? Can you mute your mics? Thank you. Okay. When I'm asking something, only that time you unmute your mic and talk. Okay. So now to test for starch, see, I'm reading, okay? And you can conduct tests and record your observations. Now the test is if the required you have to you need some chemicals and let's see. Let us begin by testing different food items to see if they contain carbohydrates. Now there are two types of carbohydrates, starch and sugar. Okay, starch and sugar. Okay, can you see it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Starch and sugar. Now to learn about starch. How can we test about starch? What you have to do is you have to you need few drops of iodine. You know what is iodine?
Hey, hey, like, ma'am, your
Can
voice
you
is
see it?
breaking.
What do you need is iodine. You will need iodine and you will need your raw food on which we are going to test. Okay, these two things you will need. You will need iodine solution and you will need your raw food on which you are going to test. Now what will happen? What you are going to do is, see, when you have to take the raw food, take raw food, and what you can do is put few drops of iodine solution. Few drops of iodine. Okay, then what will happen if the food changes color from blue to black? If the food becomes blue or black, okay, that means our food contains starch. What you have to do is you have to take the raw food, you have to put few drops of iodine solution on it, and if the color changes to blue or okay, the color of iodine becomes blue or black. That shows us that our food contains starch. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Everybody,
ma'am.
can you explain me what I just taught you? Muskan, can you explain how will you test
Yes,
for starch?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am. First, we have to take the iodine and raw food. Then, raw food we have to put in the table. Then uh, we have to drop only few drops of iodine in the raw food. It will color change blue or black. So it means that is a starch. Starch.
It means that starch is present in our food. It means that starch
Yeah.
is present in our food. Yes, Salwani Kulsum, you can answer the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. How will you test for starch?
Ma'am, you repeat the question.
How will you test whether starch is present in your food? How will you test it?
We take the one spoon and we test. Then we test and we test it perfect.
I cannot understand, beta, what you are talking. Can you say it clearly?
Yes, and we test with spoon to test with state spoon to test kanu. Then we taste. Then we
Malik Tahira, can you explain how will you test for starch in our food?
ma'am, we put in iodine, one drop of.
What you have to do?
Ma'am, your skin is not present.
My screen is not present.
Ma'am, your screen is present.
Why? It is
Ma'am, your
present, beta.
See properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Present.
ma'am, your screen is presented properly.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you
Ma'am,
do?
ma'am, I have one question. Can I ask?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the iodine in Gujarati or anything
Iodine
means?
is iodine is a chemical, beta, and in Gujarati also it is called iodine only. Okay, it is the name of the chemical. Okay, and you have to what you have to do is you have to put a few drops of iodine in water, and that becomes iodine solution. Okay, and then you have to take few drops of iodine and put it on the raw food.
Okay.
Have a potato.
मैम तो फिर क्या होता है?
Take the potato,
Ma'am, now
and
can I tell ma'am?
you can put few drops of iodine. You can put few drops of iodine because blue and black because the potato has starch in it. Okay. Now let's test for protein.
Ma'am,
Okay. Now I
ma'am, so
hope
how we
everybody has
can
understood
understand?
how to test for carbohydrates. Huh, beta?
Ma'am, can I ask one more
मैम your
question?
Beta, I
voice
did
is
not
not.
get you.
Yes, ma'am, understand. Ma'am, you are
Sure.
telling it will be black and blue. So, ma'am, it will be. So, how we can know that is there is black? So, what does that mean? And is there was blue? So, what?
No. The color of iodine would be slight. What can you say? It will be copper. It will be this color. Let me show you. The color of iodine would be.
Navy blue.
Wait. I'm showing you better. The color of iodine. Just a minute. It will be this color or darker than this. Okay, and it will become this color.
Blue.
मैम पर
Understood?
वो ऐसे कलर में क्यों कन्वर्ट होगा?
हाँ बेटा.
वो ऐसे कलर में क्यों कन्वर्ट होगा?
Because the starch. Can you mute your mics? How will I talk to you if I cannot hear what you are saying? So if you will put few drops of iodine on potato starch, the starch and iodine is going to react with each other and form this blue or black color. Okay, the color can be blue or black.
बट मेरा क्वेश्चन
Okay.
ये है कि मैम हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि इसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट है ब्लू हो तो या ब्लैक हो तो ऐसा
Blue या तो black हो जाएगा. In both cases, in both cases the starch is going to be present. And कैसा blue होगा पता है? या तो आपको blue दिखेगा या तो आपको black दिखेगा. देखो इसमें पता चल रहा है आपको कि blue है या black है. तो you will see something like this.
लाइक नेवी ब्लू
Understood?
कलर
Yeah, blue black mix. Okay.
मैम डार्क ब्लू.
I will send you, if you want, I will send you the link of YouTube for this purpose. Okay. ये particular experiment के लिए मैं आपको link भेज दूंगी. Is that okay?
ओके मैम ओके मैम
Okay, and
Okay
you
मैम.
just have to watch that. Now let's test for protein. Now everything is clear. Doubts clear. Doubts clear, beta.
यस मैम यस मैम
Okay. We have got 10 minutes. Now please cope up with me and we have to complete this topic. Okay. What you have to do for test of protein? You have to take a small quantity of your food item for testing. You can take whatever food item you want, and if the food you want to test is solid, अगर जो food आपने लिया है वो solid state में है तो you need to convert it into a paste. मतलब you need to mix it in water. Okay, you need to convert it into a paste or a powder form. What can you do? You can grind it or mash it. Okay, you can take your food item and grind or mash it. And what you have to do is put some of this in a clean test tube. Okay, put some food item you have grind or mashed in the test tube and add 10 drops of water to it and shake it. What you are supposed to do? Take your food item and grind it or mash it, and then take few of the food in the test tube and add 10 drops of water and shake your test tube. Is this clear? इतना इतना समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now what you have to do is you have to take a dropper. Dropper पता है ना आपको? हाँ बेटा?
Yes,
You know what
ma'am.
is dropper, right? So you have to take a dropper and you will be preparing the solution of copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is also a chemical. Please remember the names of the chemicals, okay? Which is the first chemical we studied?
Iodine
Iodine.
plus small
Carbohydrate.
food. Iodine plus
Iodine,
small food.
and second
Small
was
food.
beta that
Copper.
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 the first chemical iodine and the second chemical is copper sulfate. Okay, you need to take 10 drops of copper sulfate solution and add 10 drops of solution of caustic soda. Okay, then you have to add the 10 drops of caustic soda solution. See, you have to add drops of copper sulfate and you have to add drops of caustic soda. Can you see the guy? He's adding the solution of copper sulfate and caustic soda. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need to
Yes,
shake it
ma'am.
well. You need to shake it well and let the test tube stand for few minutes. और फिर shake
हेलो.
करके थोड़ी देर के लिए test tube
हाँ
को
बोल.
ऐसे ऐसे ही रहने देना है.
हाँ.
With please mute your mics.
હા આજે કરાવે છે ને આજ કરાવતા હતા ને.
Who is talking, Muskan?
નહીં મેં લખ્યું નથી હજી ફેસબુકમાં.
Sayada.
સ્ક્રીનશોટ મોક.
Sayada. Sayada.
હા બસ.
Ma'am, Sayada is talking. Hello.
Sayyada. Sayyada. We could
Sorry.
hear your phone call. We could hear your phone call on the meeting.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, but my mic is open, but I don't know. That's why.
Okay. You have to shake your test tube well and keep it still for a few minutes, okay? And what will happen if proteins is present, the contents of the test tube will turn into violet color. Now you know what is violet color, right? You know how violet
Yes,
color
ma'am.
is. This is the
Yes.
violet color. Your solution is going to turn into violet color if proteins is present in the food items. So what you have to do is, let's discuss what you are supposed to do.
मैम मैंने आपको आयोडीन का पिक देखा देख डाला है आपको देख लेना.
Okay, what you have to do is, you have to take your food, okay, convert it into paste, convert in paste. Then what you have to do? Add
10 drops of
10.
water.
Very good. Who is saying?
Drop of water. Drop of water.
10
Drop
drops of
soda.
water. Then
Soda. Soda.
caustic soda.
Caustic soda. Caustic soda.
10 drop of caustic soda.
Very good.
मतलब
Then,
मैम
copper
caustic soda
sulfate
क्या होता है?
and
then
drop
which
of
solution?
iodine.
No, iodine you're not supposed to add.
10 drops of water.
Copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate.
Please mute your mics. There is a lot of disturbance going on.
मैम किसी का माइक में से
आप क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो आज? हाँ बेटा, आपको नहीं पढ़ना है?
Ma'am, we
आप
want to
इतने दिन से तो कैसे आराम से पढ़ रहे थे, मस्ती भी नहीं, आज क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो? हाँ बेटा, ओके, लास्ट बार प्रोटीन का टेस्ट समझा दूं? जल्दी जल्दी। हाँ बेटा,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. So you have to take your food, convert it into paste, then put it in the test tube, then you have to add 10 drops of water, and then you have to add 10 drops of caustic soda, and then few drops of copper sulfate. Then you have to shake well. Let's shake well. Shake well and let it stand for few minutes, and it will convert it into violet color if protein is present. Correct? This is the color it will turn into. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Can anybody repeat this experiment after me? Who wants to say
Ma'am,
this?
can I? Ma'am, can I touch it?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I?
First we have to take.
Ma'am, can I? Tathir.
Ma'am, can I Muskan?
Ma'am, can I follow? Ma'am, ma'am, can I Tathir? Because.
We have to take.
Voice is cutting, beta.
Ma'am, can I read? Sorry. Can I tell Muskan?
Ma'am, can I tell Tathir?
Tathir, Muskan, and who else wanted to read?
Ma'am, I don't want to read. I want to read the experiment.
No, I mean who wants to say the experiment? Tathir, Muskan.
Yes, yes.
Muskan, come on, fatafat say the experiment.
Yes. First, we have to take the food. Then we have to do the grind or mash in the small quantity. Then we have to put 10 drops of water. Then we have to put in the test tube. Then we don't have to do for 5 minutes. We don't have to touch or anything. Then we
No,
have to
you added few drops of water. Then what you have to add?
Then we have to add 10 drops of caustic soda, then 10 drops of copper sulfate,
Yes. Then?
then a violet color will come, so it means that food is protein. Ma'am, can I tell Malik?
Protein is present in the
Can I tell
food.
Ma'am Fatima?
Yes, Malik Tahira.
Ma'am, first we take
Malik.
some food and then grind it and some 10 drop of water, then we 10 drop of copper sulfate and 10 drop of caustic soda, then shake it, then 5 minutes we and then we shake well, and then violet color is coming. Ma'am, now can I tell ma'am?
Yes, Iman.
Ma'am, can I tell? We have to take any food and we have to grind it or smash it. Then we have to take 10 drops of water and 10 caustic soda and copper flakes and we have to mix that nicely so it will come violet color and we don't have to touch 5 minutes it will get a violet color.
Okay. And you guys have completed your fair books, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you have to do for homework is G. Yes.
Which chapter? PDF डाली थी तो मैम आपने मैम कहाँ पर ऐसे लिखा है कि did you send PDF बेटा मैम I डाउनलोड और सब PDF में. Please give the homework.
Leave. Okay, what you have to do is you have to learn the test for protein and you have to learn the test for starch. Okay, there will be an oral test for you in the next lecture.
Okay, ma'am.
And I will be sending you the link of YouTube in which you can see the test for protein and starch. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have
Bye,
a
ma'am. Have a
wonderful
nice day.
wonderful day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a wonderful
Bye,
day.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have an interesting day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a
मैम
fantastic.
Bye.
मैम मुबारक का मैम मुबारक का मैम
Yes. Yes.
मैम मैं आपको अपने पुरानी स्कूल का पूरे क्लास का फोटो दिखाऊं
हाँ दिखा दो.
ओके मैम मैम अभी दिखाती हूँ मैम ये देखो
मैम मैं भी दिखाऊं. मैम मैं एक चीज दिखाऊं आपको.
मैम पूरे क्लास का फोटो
This is I don't know.
मैम कैन आई शो. मैम रुको मैं भी दिख.
मैम मैं ना
What's your
क्लास
name, beta? Who is showing the picture?
मैम कुलसुम
मैम मैं